Hey guys, welcome back to another sewing tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. In today's video, we are going to be making a shirt. It's super easy to make. It doesn't matter your skill level. You can be a beginner or advanced. By the end of the video, you will be able to make it. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we will be using a shirt that we already own, stretchy fabric, scissors, and any marking tool. And this is optional. We will be using bias tape at the end of the video. Fold fabric in half. Here I labeled front and back because you will need two pieces to create your shirt. Fold your shirt in half. Starting with the front, place the fold of your shirt along the fold of the fabric. Trace around your shirt. Trace around your shirt to create the back Cut out the front and back piece. Don't forget to cut out your neckline. Here I did a V-neck, but when I made the actual shirt, I actually did a round neck, but it's up to you. And I always like to label the front and the back for you guys. Alright, we have both of our pieces. We are going to place them together. Then you are going to sew along the shoulders. You are going to sew along the underarm and the sides. Now the optional part when we use the bias tape, you can put it around the unfinished edges. If you take a look at my previous tutorial, you will see how we use it. But this part is optional. Now we are going to make it together. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.